Hi guys, so today I am going to be showing you a Birchbox unboxing for August. Yes, I got 2 Birchboxes. Don't ask me why the heck I got 2. One I think was lost in the mail, or it took like 3 weeks to get to my house. So I emailed them because I'm like, hey, it still says it's wherever. And they're like, oh, okay, whatever. And they're like, oh, we'll come. But then 2 showed up. I don't know why, but I have 2 of the same month's Birchbox, but they have different things in it. I've already peeked, but so 2 Birchboxes unboxing. Don't ask me why. So I'll start with I'll start with the one that has the least amount of stuff. And this one. Let me know if you guys also got 2 Birchboxes. I don't know, but I got 2. And one's like has way more stuff than this one, so whatever. So this month it is Easy Does It. That's what the card looks like. Here's the products. Here's all these. So let's just get started because we have 2 to unbox. So, read my little cheat sheet. First thing is Mika's dry shampoo. Yeah. I don't know. It just says Perk Up Dry Shampoo. The full size is $22. Yeah. Sorry. Hold on. Let me put that down. So that's what that looks like. Don't mind my nails, they're really bad. But I don't know if I like this. The smell smells like hairspray. I love the bottle. The bottle's really cute. But yeah, I will definitely try this dry shampoo. Oh wait. Ooh, no, I like that smell. Ooh, that has a good smell now that it's like, I can smell it. I like that. That's a good smelling dry shampoo. I might have to fork up $22 to buy it every month. Not every month, but whatever. Okay, next. Well, what is this? This is Avon Cleansing Gel. This is their cleansing gel. Can you see that? This is $28 for full size. It's fused with French thermal spring water. This is a purifying cleanser. Gently removes grime without stripping your skin of its natural oils. I will definitely give this one a try because I am breaking out since I got home and while I was there because I don't think my skin liked the face mask which we did on the plane. But definitely try this Avon Clear Cleansing Gel. Next we have this Kula Mineral Face SPF 30 Unscented Matte Tint. So that's what this looks like. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. So this is $36. It's a mineral-based BB cream with that hydrates every. Oh my gosh, I can't read today. Even skin tone, protects from UV rays. It has a matte finish. Shake before using it. Okay, I might try this. Probably not, but you never know. And I've already tried this. Could not have that on my lips with like a little gloss over it. This is Stila Cosmetic and Perla. It's an all-day stay. Not if you put lip gloss over it. So that's what. I'm sorry, you can. Oh. So that's what it looks. I'll swatch it on my hand for you guys. a lot on. So, that's what that color looks like. Sorry if this is not the best lighting, but oh well. Oh, nope, not tried yet. Okay. Oh, and then the last product in this box. Nope, don't open this. It's Balance Me Skin Serum Collagen. Whatever. Yeah, it's just a calming serum that diminishes blemishes, refines pores, balance skin without drying it out. Plus, it smells amazing. I don't want to open it again because I don't want it to explode. I don't want to explode on me. Smells like a spa, to be honest. Like the whole cap is full of it. Nothing. Oh well. So that was in number 1, Birchbox. Number 2, Birchbox. Oh, I had that upside down. Number 2, Birchbox of August. I don't know why. Again, same card, but different. If you guys want to read it all, screenshot, pause the video. So, let's just get into it. I'm like sweating. It's so hot in here in Utah. First thing, what is this? Hum Nutrition. Raw Beauty Green Super Food Powder. Pineapple and coconut. Add this powder to your milk of choice or flavor smoothie. It instantly sneaks in nutrition that helps boost energy, nourish skin, and help your metabolism. This is $30 for the full size. Pineapple, eh? I might just try this. Well, I might try this. Why not? Hopefully it's not good because I don't want to spend 40 bucks on something. Oh, that was a bonus item. Probably shouldn't have started with the bonus item, but oh well. Next is this, it is Toka. It is a little sample. Yeah, Stella de perfume. I don't know. Stella. Alright, I don't know how to say that perfume. But let's just spray it and see. It is anywhere between $25 and $72. Nope, don't like it. It smells, I don't know. I don't like fancy perfumes. To me, they all smell the same. Yeah. Nope. Don't like it. Nope. 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 Smells like Old Lady. Oh, gross. Why did I do that? Oh, well. Oh, well. You live and you learn. Oh. Again, I have a Stila lip gloss and Perla. Yeah, I got 2. Again, 2 Birchboxes, got 2 of those. Oh well. Okay. Moving on. I guess this one. This is the Stila lipstick is 22. This is Dr. Jart's Water Infused Ultimate Hydro Gel. It is $39. Let's see. It is a gel-based cream that packed with hot spring lagoon. I don't know. It just has, yeah, it's just supposed to firm and plump skin. It's just a gel. Okay, cool. I might try that one. I don't know. Next, we'll have this. This is the chlorine. What is it? Shampoo. Yeah, shampoo with peony, whatever. It is $15. It soothes a dry, irritated scalp with this shampoo peony base formula, which instantly comforts and balances your scalp pH, leaving hair smooth and shiny. Let's smell it. That one smells that bad. I might try it. Maybe give it to my mom. I don't know. But this is $15 for a full size. Sweet. And then with the same brand, chlorine, this is a bonus item. It is the gel conditioner. The same, it's $20 and it does the same thing as the shampoo. So that's cool that we have a set, but kind of weird, but whatever. Next, we have, well, last item out of our two. These are okay, but if not, oh well. This is Han, or HAN, Skincare Cosmetic. This is an all-natural cheek and lip tint in coral, hibiscus, lip tint. Lightly blend this creamy coral tint onto your cheeks and skin for a pop of color. It's all natural formula. All natural formula, has shea butter and everything. Nourishes the skin. It is $14. It's $14. Let's see. You can't see it. Can you see it? No. So that's what it looks like. But if you like put it on, you can't see it. So that's the Stila. Let's see, is it? No, it's not totally. It comes off. Oh, I guess you can kind of see it. But, so that was my Birchbox for August because they came really late. I think they came like the 28th or maybe even the 1st of September. I don't remember. But they came super late, got 2 of them. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sorry if the camera was like tilted. My phone died, but anyways, long story short, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!